Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Cherokee, North Carolina, and we'll be driving down U.S. Highway 441 through the town. Cherokee is a census-designated place located in both Jackson and Swain counties. The town is located in the Oconaluftee River Valley. So I said that wrong, I'm sorry. And had a population of 2,138 as of the 2010 census. Cherokee is the headquarters for the Eastern Band of the Cherokee Nation. To continue the heritage of the Cherokee in the town, several signs for streets and buildings are written in both Cherokee syllabary and English. The town was previously known as Yellow Hill, a name which is still used in Cherokee. Harrah's Cherokee Casino opened in 1997 and dramatically changed everything from jobs to education to health care for Cherokee tribe members. In 2005, nearly 4 million people visited the casino and generated a per capita profit of roughly $8,000 annually. Manufacturing and textile plants, which previously existed in the area, have since closed or moved overseas. Before the casino came to the area, national park tourism provided work for about half the year, and most tribal members lived off public assistance during the winter. Cherokee is a tourist-oriented area located at the entrance to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park and at the southern end of the Blue Ridge Parkway, both of which are up the road from our current location. On the left is a museum of the Cherokee Indian Education and Research Center, which preserves and perpetuates the history, culture, and stories of the Cherokee people. One thing we noticed along this strip was the many small motels and lodges, some of which are what are typically considered low-end brands, and most are independently owned, but they all appear to be well kept up and are rated highly on TripAdvisor. Also along this strip are shops selling jewelry, pottery, knives, t-shirts, souvenirs, and other Cherokee crafts. We spent almost an hour inside the Wigwam craft shop looking at the merchandise. Here we reach the end of Cherokee and the beginning of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.